everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have another November unboxing for you today and it is from Birchbox. And look at this. Isn't this a beautiful outer box this month? So what is Birchbox? How much does it cost? This is a UK based monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus £2.95 postage and packaging, and you always get at least 5 items in there. The sizes of these items though, they do tend to be sort of sample size or deluxe mini size. So unlike some of your other beauty subscription boxes, it's not very often we get full sizes, or if we do, they tend to be things like makeup items, you know, like lip liners, mascaras, things like that. Basically anything that will fit in this lovely little box. Now then, this month, for the second month in a row I think it is, it's actually a lift off lid. Usually the Birchboxes come and they're like a little drawer that you pull out, which is just really cute. I love that aspect about the boxes. But hey ho, it really doesn't matter. I always like to say, if you are looking into subscription boxes and you're looking at comparing different ones, please do compare Birchbox to the Feel Unique Beauty Kit. That also costs £12.95, but then you have £3.95 postage and packaging to pay on the top of that. And you get to choose the 5 items that you receive in there. So, but again, they are sort of sample or deluxe mini sizes. So there we go. Again, if you are interested in taking out a Birchbox subscription, I will link all the website details down below in the description box. Just press where it says show more and that'll bring everything up for you, including any refer a friend codes and links that I've got for the box. All right, let's get into it then. See what we've got. We always get a little leaflet on the top. This tells us a little bit about the products that's in there, their RRP values, things like that. And yeah, here we go. So that's what we've got inside this month's box. Let's have a look. Oh, first things first, this looks like, okay, what is it? It's from Birchbox themselves, and it's a little pocket mirror. It's a full-size product and it's worth £5. There we go. See, we've got Birchbox embossed on the front there. Let me open this up so we can see it a wee bit better. Here we go. So it's a pale pink sort of PVC or faux leather type thing, and then you just slide it out and there's your mirror. And then on the other side it says, what does it say? I think it says pretty smart, pretty kind, pretty funny and pretty strong. Now that's really nice, and you know what? In the year that I've been getting subscription boxes, I don't think I've ever got a mirror. And to be honest, you always need little mirrors like this in your handbag or in the car, or, you know, just a handy little mirror just to check, make sure you're, you know, feeling and looking your best and all that. So yeah, all right, the actual colour of the outer sleeve and everything really isn't me. I am not a pink girl whatsoever. But the actual product, the concept of the product, I really do like. And I love the little, you know, saying on the back of it, just, you know, remind yourself that you are beautiful and that, you know, you have got this, girl, you know. So yeah, so that's item number 1. Item number 2 is quite large. Let's have a look. Oh heck. Ugh, right, okay. Alright, this is by the company Vitamasks, and it's a Super Blossom Hydrating Facial. It's a 3-step facial and it includes an exfoliating scrub, a sheet mask and a moisturiser. Okay, the reason I went OEC is because certainly the first step, the scrub, is rose, and I cannot stand rose. I don't like rose scented things. I really, really don't. Anyway, here we go. This is the product, all right? See what I mean? It's quite a large thing, actually. So you've got step 1 here is a rose facial scrub. Step 2 down here is the Super Blossom sheet mask. And step 3 is the hibiscus moisturizer. This is, again, a full-size product. And the RRP of this is $5.99. Now then, it does say that I think it's the sheet mask has got hyaluronic acid in there, which I know the hyaluronic acid side of that will very much appeal to my fast becoming my very good friend Lisa from Authentic Beauty. If you've not heard of Lisa or you've not come across her channel, I will pop a link up here for you now. Please do go over and say hi. Lisa and I recently have been collaborating on a couple of videos, and we're starting to work together more and more often. We have a joint Facebook page called Making It Authentic. Again, I will, if I can remember, I'll pop the details down here, but just go and search that name and you should find us. And on there we are posting all sort of things, sort of when we're uploading videos, if we come across any special offers out there, any flash sales, things like that. But we're also wanting you to interact with us on there. We're starting to build a really, really lovely, encouraging community, both on the Facebook page and through both of our live streams as well. I do one on a Friday night, Lisa does one on a Thursday morning and a Sunday night. So yeah, the hyaluronic acid side of this, Lisa will be very, very chuffed about, but Lisa will be the same as me, because I know, again, she doesn't like rose scented things. That's going to put her off of this, but never mind. For me personally, this is going to be gifted away, just because rose, florally, nah, it's just not my thing. I do love sheet masks and things like that. We use them every Sunday night on Lisa's Self-Care Sunday live stream, which is at 8 PM UK time. But yeah, this one will be gifted away. But I've got another friend in mind who would probably appreciate this. So that'll be going into her little care package. There we go. Anyway, that's item number 2. Item number 3. Okay, this is by Kingsley, and it's a finishing touch polishing serum. It's a 20ml tube, so I would suspect this is like a deluxe mini sample or mini size. There we go. And what does this do? Okay, now the RRP of this in a full-size version is £22, and I would suspect that's potentially a 200ml tube. So if that's right, this is a tenth of the size, so this actual size is going to be worth £2.20. Now then, Kingsley, we've had a number of his products or products from this brand in subscription boxes over this last year. Generally that's been the hair building shampoo or whatever, and now I've got a full size and a little travel size of that waiting upstairs to be tested out. This is a bit different. Will I end up using it? I honestly don't know. I use Fudge hair care. It's called their Matte Head, and it's like a putty, and I use that as my styling putty. I mean, what I might do is I might read a little bit more into this, because what I like to do is I like to put sort of conditioners or oils and things into my hair when it's towel dried before I do my styling. So I like protecting sprays and things like that. I wouldn't necessarily use this as a finishing serum for my hair. Like I say, what I might do is I might have a look into it, see if I can potentially use this before my styling, and if so, then I will use it that way and I will let you know. But there we go, that's item number 3. Item number 4, right, okay, this is by the company Model Co, and it's a highlighting shimmer whip in the shade Champagne. Okay, this is another full-size product. So after me saying in my introduction that you don't generally tend to get full-size products in Birchbox, we've got 3 this month, just to prove me wrong. Anyway, this has an RRP of £10. And it says, this creamy highlighter subtly reflects light to make you look fresh-faced and radiant. The buildable champagne colour may seem pigmented in its tube, but goes on lightly with an ever so slightly shimmery finish. Okay, me personally, I'm not going to be keeping this item. I will just very gently open it and show you the inner tube. Why aren't I keeping it? 2 reasons, to be perfectly honest. Here we go. This is quite a small. It's a 7mm tube, which for things like this, sort of a liquidy, moussey highlighter, you're obviously not going to need very much. There you go. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see the actual colour of it there in this band in the middle. There you go. I'm not a fan of liquid highlighters. I much prefer powder products, in all honesty. So that's one reason I'm not going to be keeping this item. Also, to be perfectly honest, this is now probably about the 5th or 6th item I've received in subscription boxes over the last 12 months from this company. And I've not been impressed with anything that I've received. My own personal opinion is that this particular brand is overpriced for what it is. The quality of the products is not worth the price point. That's only my opinion. Obviously, you know, there will be people out there who love this brand and it works fantastically for them. It's just, no, it's not a brand that I like. It's just not a product I'm going to use. So there is no point in me testing it out and trying it. I would much rather be able to gift this away to somebody who will use it and will appreciate it. And the best way to do that is in an untouched state, you know. But anyway, there we go. That's item number 4. And item number 5, this is by the company Real Her. Okay, and it's a matte liquid lipstick. Now then, what often happens with Birchbox is that you will receive an email around about the middle of the month and it will ask you to pick your item for next month. Okay, so bear with me. So there will be like one product where you've got a choice of maybe 2 or 3 shades of it, and you can choose the one that you think is best suited to you. Now then, this is a company that, do you know, I was just about to say I don't think I've heard of before, but actually I think I might have done. I might have had a product from this company before, I'm not sure. This to me looks like a miniature size. It's 2mm, yeah, 2mm, and the full size of this is worth £18. Now, I chose mine in the shade I Am Tough, and it's basically, there was 3 shades. There was this one, there was like a nudie brownie, and then a pale pinky. Yeah, no. This is like this is definitely a miniature. Here we go. Now, liquid lipsticks I do love. They are my preferred formulation of lipsticks. I will choose this over a bullet or anything else. Generally speaking, liquid lipsticks tend to be anywhere around about the 4 to 5mm size in a full size version. So I'm going to say that even though this is rather teeny weeny, I'm going to say this is probably going to be worth around about the £8–9 mark. So it's got a tiny little wee doe foot. I'm just going to do a little swatch on there. And that's actually that is actually a really nice colour. That's, yeah. Now that is a colour that I would potentially wear. I've got some lip liners that are fairly close to that. So yeah, I am pleased that I've chosen that colour. And I'm also pleased that this sort of colour option was available, because it's drying down, it's not completely dry, and it has dried matte, which is lovely. I like mattes, I like metallic. So yeah, so kudos for Birchbox for this one this month, I have to say. So let's just quickly do a little recap. So we have the Real Her liquid lipstick, which I think personally is going to be worth around about the £9–10 mark. So if we say £10, yeah, because smaller sizes are always, you pay a bit extra for, don't you? We have the Vitamasks 3-step facial sheet masks with your scrub, your mask and your moisturiser in there. That's worth £6, so that's 16. We have the little pocket mirror made by Birchbox themselves, which apparently has an RRP of £5, so that's £21. We also have the Model Co highlighter, which is worth £10, so that's £31. And then we have the Kingsley hair product, which is worth a couple of pounds. So we've got a box here this month worth around about £33-ish. When you pay £13 for the box, that's like sort of 2.5 times. Yeah, about 2.5 times the cost of your box you're getting back in the products that you're receiving. What do I think to the curation? Well, I actually, yeah, it covers everything, doesn't it? You've got your skincare with your 3-step facial up here. You've got your hair care with your Kingsley. You've got a couple of makeup items and you've got a little handy mirror to be able to put those on with. Am I going to keep everything? No, I've already discussed, you know, certainly 2 of these items I am going to be gifting away, potentially 3, maybe even 4. The only one I am definitely keeping is the liquid lipstick. So, you know, maybe this month, this box for me, maybe not the best value box I've ever had from Birchbox, but I do like it as a box, as a curation. I think it's well thought out. The colours obviously all blending together. Yeah, and I really do like it. And when you're looking at a theme of, you know, sort of self-care and making you look and feel the best that you can possibly be feeling, then absolutely, I think it is great. It's just a shame that, you know, not every product is something that I will use. But that happens, guys. Some boxes you win, some you lose, you know? Anyway, let me know what you think to it down in the comment section below. Like I say, I think probably out of all those, my favourite is the liquid lipstick. Please let me know what your favourite product is this month. Thank you for watching as always, everybody. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I don't just do subscription box unboxings, I do makeup looks, makeup hauls. Like I said earlier, I have a live stream on a Friday evening. That's called the Friday Night Natter. It's at 8 PM GMT. Please do come along, bring your favourite beverage. It's basically a virtual get-together. Okay, so it's basically like you're meeting up with the girlies down the pub, but you don't actually leave your house. It's a very open-minded, encouraging, supportive place where you can just come and natter about anything. Talk about the week you've had, what you've got coming up. We talk about makeup releases as well. We give recommendations. We give out advice if anybody's asking any questions or whatever. It's an absolute free-for-all in that respect. More times than not, it ends up with me in absolute fits of giggles and tears running down. So if you reckon you might quite fancy want to see that, then please do pop in and say hello. I think that's everything for today, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!